This Turkish-style soft bun recipe requires no stand mixer, and buns are perfect for slicing in half to use it for a variety of sandwiches. In a mixing bowl, add bread flour, or if you don't have it, use all-purpose flour, instant dry yeast, and salt. Mix well all the dry ingredients together. Then add water and start kneading it in a dough. And start kneading it for 10 minutes or until smooth and even. Then transfer it in another bowl, wrap it and let it ferment for an hour or until it's doubled. Then take it out on a lightly dusted counter and knead it for 30 seconds. Then shape it in a smooth ball. Round each portion. Cover it with a damp towel and let it rest for 30 minutes. Then take one portion on flour dusted counter, flatten the rounded, relax. Pinch the ends with fingers. Then fold the end on the top of it. Put the upside down. Roll the dough under the palm of the hand center with oval shape the same way. Once ready, put it on parchment paper lined sheet tray. Preheat the oven on 450 Fahrenheit or 230 Celsius. Once proofing is done, with the help of sharp paring knife, score the loaves gently from the center. With the help of the brush, apply a little bit of plain yogurt on top of each loaf. Or any other oven-safe bowl. Add hot water and put it underneath the buns in the oven. This step and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes or until it is golden brown. Then take it out from the oven and allow it to cool down. Enjoy it with your choice of dipping sauce, stew, or as a sandwich. Paper bag to maintain the freshness of soft crust of the loaf and enjoy it later. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. This tender banana bread loaf is not just easy but also very quick to make. So let's start making it. Combine sugar, salt, and butter. Cream the ingredients together until light. Now add eggs in 2 or 3 stages. Cream well after each addition and before adding more eggs. Add ripe banana pulp. Give it a mix. Roughly chopped walnuts and pecans. Sift together flour, baking powder and baking soda. Add it into 2 or 3 stages. Combine each time only enough to moisten the dry ingredient. Do not overmix. Apply butter in pan and sift some flour. Divide the batter into 2 pans and gently smoothen batter. Bake it for 40 minutes at 375 Fahrenheit or until done. Once you take it out from the oven, let it cool down a bit and cut it into desired slice. It should be tender, flakier. You can also store it in cooler or freezer for just make sure you wrap it really well before storing it. I hope you like it. We'll see you soon in next video. Till then, happy eating. Bye bye. Take care.